Hey, small business owners. Want to take your brand's video content up a notch without blowing your entire budget? I totally get it. You don't need a blockbuster budget to make engaging videos that your customers will love. Think about this. You can use simple tools and a bit of creativity to tell your brand story. Start with what you have. Your smartphone is already a powerful camera. Grab a ring light for under $50 and suddenly you're ready to film a product demo, a quick tutorial, or even a behind-the-scenes tour of your workspace. Product demos? Show your customers exactly how your product works, step by step. Behind the scenes? People love seeing what goes on before the product hits the shelves. It makes your brand feel real and relatable. Don't forget about customer reviews. Let your happy clients do the talking. Their real feedback builds trust in your business. And hey, if you're feeling stuck for ideas, try using AI video generators. They're like having a digital brainstorm buddy helping you create content fast. Worried about editing? Don't be. There are tons of easy-to-use apps out there. Canva, iMovie, Filmora. These tools let you polish up your videos without spending a fortune or needing a degree in video editing. If you ever want to go big and get those high-gloss commercial vibes, working with a pro production company can really elevate your content. But honestly, you can do a lot with just a little. Remember, it's not about having the fanciest gear. It's about sharing your brand's story in a way that feels authentic and helpful. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, get creative, and start making videos that connect with your audience. Hit subscribe for more tips and tricks.